We all know that face-to-face training is expensive and gets outdated soon. How about readily available books and videos? Some are good, but not up to date. Rapidken can help your team lead create personalized training. How? Suppose the team lead wants to explain 2 methods. Team lead asks Rapidken to explain HTML parser. Voila! All necessary concepts are on the screen. Team lead now asks Rapidken to explain next concept. If developers don't know some of these concepts, she asks to explain some more. Training created in a few easy steps. Team lead can add a quiz automatically at the end. Rapidken.ai, helping team leads create personalized training their developers need